Hi there, in this video I'm gonna explain you how we can copy the files in Linux. To copy the files in Linux you have to use copy command or cp command. So for example, I'm gonna copy some files now. So let us say we have got this abc file, as you can see over here, and if I want to copy this file to the same home directory, what I can do simply is cp abc, and here I can give the new name to the file, say xyz, and then hit enter. So abc will be copied in the same directory. As notice that xyz is not available right now in the current directory. So once I copy that, and now if I use ls, xyz will be here. As you can see, xyz is copied here, and if you view the contents of both files, it should be same. So I'm gonna view the contents of the files. For that, use this command cat abc or cat xyz. It should have same contents. As you can see, this file contents are same and the file is copied. Now what will happen if I just do say copy this ff1 file to xyz? So since the xyz file already exists, let us see what happens when I try to copy the ff1 file. So as you can see, the contents of the xyz would be changed now because I have copied that ff1 in there. So as you can see, the xyz contents have changed, and the more important thing to notice here is that Linux did not ask you whether you want to override that file, because that xyz file already existed there. So copy command doesn't allow that, but there is a switch which you can use with the copy command that can be used to prevent you from overwriting the files, and that switch is -i. Say for example, if I want to copy this abc file to the xyz again, but I will use this -i switch and do xyz. Now I'm trying to copy the file abc to the xyz, but since xyz file already exists, this command will prevent that from copying. As you can see, it is given this prompt override xyz because xyz already exists, and if you press S, then only that file will be copied. If you press no, that file will not be copied. And as you can see, the xyz contents are not changed. So that's how we can use the -i switch, which prevents you from overwriting the files. Now this is about copying the files in the same directory. Say for example, if you want to copy the file abc into the folder, say sample folder, over here, as you can see, there is a folder sample. So if you want to copy the file abc into that folder, what you do is same command, cp, name of the file that you want to copy, then you have to give the directory name, and you can actually give the new file name, say xyz or anything, but if you want to keep the same name, you can just give the name of the directory and then hit enter, and then that sample directory should contain the file. Now if I do ls sample, it should display that file there, abc. As you can see, that file is existing in there. So that's how you can use the ls command to copy the files in Linux. So that's all about copying the files. And another important thing that I want to tell you is that if you want to copy multiple files at the same time, you can give the pattern as well. Like instead of giving the file name, you can give the pattern. For example, if you want to copy the files which start with say A or P, or say F or P, then you can do it like that, F P and star. It means that all the files that start with F or P should be copied to say directory sample, and then if you enter, now if you see the sample directory contents, as you can see, the files ff1 and pq are also copied, because this is called as wildcard characters. which allows you to copy multiple files, matching that particular wildcard characters. In the brackets you can give the characters. It means that select any file that starts with either F or P and then ends with anything. So FF1 and PQR matched those conditions, and that's why those files were copied into the sample. So this is very handy thing that you need to remember, wildcards characters, which can boost your productivity. If you like this video, hit like button. Thank you.